Hello students, this is the third video on profit and gains from business or profession. Already I made two videos. I will share the link of those two videos in the I button as well as in the description box. In those two videos, I have covered almost 7 problems covering the concept of how to calculate business income. I did not cover profession in that. So only business income was concentrated and 7 problems I have done. If you watch that video, you can easily understand how to calculate business income. So in this video, I will cover the professional income, how to calculate professional gain. I will cover the format as well as definition given by the Income Tax Act 1961. So with one solved problem, this video is useful for BCom, MCom, CS, CS and CMS students. If you see the definition of profession according to section 2 subsection 36 of the Income Tax Act 1961, a profession is an occupation requiring purely intellectual skills or manual skills controlled by the intellectual skills of the operator like lawyer, accountant, engineer, doctor, author. See, precisely profession is a intellectual skills which a human being possess. How he will possess those intellectual skills and obtain through an academic qualification, like he will get the degree of doctor, engineer, accountant or lawyer. With that degree he can earn professional income. In the sense, we presume that as he is holding that professional qualification and the degree is provided by the competent authority, this profession will be even controlled by that operator, that is professional body of those people. So the degree is very significant. As well as profession includes those activities where livelihood is earned by a person through their intellectual or manual skills. Intellectual or manual skills we can utilize and we can earn money through that. That is refers to as a profession. So profession is a intellectual skills as well as manual skills. Profession includes vocation. Vocation is also morely focused on manual skills which we render. So this is the definition given by the Income Tax Act. So this is the format. So I have covered the few formats here. All the formats are quite simple. You can just bear in mind, whenever you take any professional income calculation, you must consider what are the professional receipts, professional incomes. If you take a doctor, consultation fee, operation fee, visiting fee, sale of medicine, gift from patient, nursing home receipts, value of any what we call perquisite received in person, examiner's fee, any other professional receipts. All those professional receipts you must consider. Apart from whatever we have given, if any other professional receipts even exist, that even will be considered here. Then we will deduct the expenses, professional expenses. Dispensary, that is hospital rent, taxes, water charges, salary of the staff, telephone expenses, such as we will deduct the hospital related expenses, cost of medicine, depreciation of surgical equipment, then depreciation cost of books. Books are very important for profession. Books plays a very significant role. He has to upgrade his knowledge. Motor car expenses, expenditure incurred on increasing the professional knowledge. Suppose if he attend any seminars, workshops, he has to pay certain fees. That fees is also allowed as deduction. Then nursing home expenses, any expenditure which is relevant to profession, those expenses should be considered. So precisely we have to take all the professional receipts. From that we have to deduct the professional expenses. Then we will get the professional income. This is the simple and precise way of presentation and calculation. Then here I have furnished the chartered accountant related. So what is the income for a chartered accountant? Audit fee, income from accountancy work, institute fee, examiner's fee, gift from clients if any, the consultancy services they do. For that, if they receive any amount, any other receipt which is relevant to the profession. From this we have to deduct professional expenses, that is office expenses, institute expenses, cost of books. Again, books are very books are very significant for all the professionals because they have to upgrade, they have to enhance their knowledge. Motor car expenses, membership fee, depreciation, stipend given to trainees, subscriptions, depreciation on office furniture, so on. So professional receipts again minus professional expenses, you will get the income. This is for lawyer, legal fee, practicing fee, special commission, presents from client. Always presents and gift from client in case of profession is a professional receipt. So clients will give gifts only professional because they are rendering services. That's the reason why. examiner's fee, any other receipts, minus professional expenses, office expenses, salary and staff, cost of books, depreciation, expenditure incurred on increase in professional knowledge, again the same thing, subscription, purchase of stamps and papers, because stamps and papers are very significant for the legal work, traveling expenses of the lawyer. So these expenses will be deducted from the professional incomes. Then you will get professional gain. Like this you have to calculate the professional gain or professional income. So we'll take up this question. With the help of this we can easily understand. Ram Prasad, a registered medical practitioner. So he is a doctor. He has prepared the following income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2024. You are required to prepare a statement of showing income from profession. Household expenses quite disallowed. Car expenses, traveling expenses, charity and donation disallowed. Income tax disallowed. Salaries, gift to daughter disallowed. Establishment expenses, surgical equipment, asset disallowed, we have to calculate depreciation on it. Books, we have to calculate depreciation. Life insurance premium disallowed, interest on capital disallowed. Then we have surplus. Consultation fee, visiting fee, gain on races, horse race is disallowed. Shares in sale proceed of an ancestral property is disallowed, it's not a professional gain. Profit on sale of securities disallowed, income from other sources, dividend on shares disallowed, interest on post office saving bank deposit disallowed, gifts from father-in-law is also disallowed, bad debts recovered, not allowed earlier, then interest on fixed deposit disallowed. So we'll see how to calculate with the adjustments even. Rate of depreciation allowed on car 15%, surgical equipment 15%. In case of books for the profession, it is 40%. So we have given this income and expenditure account of doctor. Now we will solve this problem. So this problem solving is quite different from the business, because in business we used to consider net profit or adding expenses disallowed but debited. Like that we were doing. So here we will take different way, that is professional receipts and professional gain. So if you see the professional receipts, the consultation fee 10,000 and visiting fee 20,000 is only the what we call professional receipts. Rest of all, that is gain from race, share in ancestral property, all those are disallowed incomes. Taken only two incomes, that's consultation and visiting fee earned by the doctor is 30,000. Now we will consider professional expenses. In that we will first take depreciation, that is 15% on motor car, 4,500. Then salaries are allowed, establishment expenses related to office expenses, establishment expenses related to expenditure incurred to run the office. Depreciation on surgical equipment, that is 15%. Then depreciation on books 40%. So these are only allowed expenses, rest of all disallowed expenses. So that comes to 14,900. If you deduct, you will get professional gain 15,100. So this is the precise way of calculation. I hope I made you understand. I have kept a lot of efforts to make these videos. Do subscribe my channel. Do share and comment on my videos. I would be very glad to make more videos, further more videos. So do subscribe my channel and try to understand the concept, right? I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel. Mentor, the trusted guide. Thank you very much.